Hi, my name is Giles, and I'm minded just to put together a little testimonial here for WB trading. I have been an active trader on and off for about the last 10 years, sometimes in conjunction with other day jobs, so to speak. But in the last couple of years, I've been looking to day trading as my sole source of income. I guess about 6 or 8 months ago, I came across WB Trading and I signed up to their program. And I was looking particularly at the mechanical trading that they talked about in their promotional material. And I have to say, I've been very pleasantly surprised that they do deliver exactly what they say on the tin. When you sign up to the program, you get access to half a dozen mechanical trading strategies. What that means is, if you can follow the rules, over time, you will get the results. I had found previously that I had been on a huge roller coaster, sometimes making lots of money, but at other times certainly losing lots of money. And I wanted to smooth out my income stream and also reduce the stress associated with such roller coaster trading, obviously particularly associated with those losses. So what I like about the mechanical approach is it really does take out two of the key emotions that were certainly holding me back prior to working with WB Trading. Those are fear and greed, and as they actually go through in their own education models, both of those emotions can limit your potential to make money. Greed can sometimes make you want to get more out of a trade than is possible. And fear can certainly lead you to cutting a trade off when it could have made you more. So I like the fact that the mechanical trading rules mean you just apply them and wait for the result. Like anything, not every trade is successful. Indeed, so long as you're working to the right risk reward, you can actually deliver a smooth, profitable income stream, even when your win rates are below 50%. Indeed, I think the expectation is often that the win rate would be below 50%, but so long as the wins are making 2, 3, 4, 5 times the losses, that's okay. And that's been my experience so far. The other thing that WB Trading say is that they will support you beyond the program. And I took that with a bit of a pinch of salt, if I'm honest, because I wasn't sure what the reality of that was going to be. But I've been very pleasantly surprised. Whether you're dealing with Paul in customer service, he's always super responsive. You feel like you're in good hands and never ignored. And in particular, I want to highlight Tom, who handles both the coaching side of things and also does the 2 weekly calls. Twice a week for members, there's an opportunity to dial into a call with other members where Tom will go through a presentation very relevant to the trading that you've been undertaking that week. But equally importantly, entertains questions, live questions, and delivers live answers so that anything that's been perplexing you, you can get an immediate answer on those weekly calls. They're really good. And I found Tom in particular to be very helpful to my trading. So you can probably gather, I would certainly recommend WB Trading. I've had a good experience with them so far. I have delved deep into one of their strategies and look forward to doing so with the other 4 or 5 over the coming months and years. Good luck with your trading.